Hey guys, this is Matt from MattGartner.com and welcome to another video about GrooveFunnels. And today we're going to be covering the third phase of my marketing funnel, the conversion phase. And for my marketing funnel, that means that we'll be building out a webinar funnel in GrooveFunnels. And like our last video, this will be a speed build, so we're going to do it as quickly as possible. So first we're going to build a pure Groove Pages only webinar funnel. And then we're going to spice it up a bit by showing you how we can integrate Groove Pages with EverWebinar as an alternative, until GrooveWebinar comes out at least, which I'm really excited for. So if you've been following along in this short series, we've been building a temperature-based marketing funnel using the cycle method of lead generation. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how the cycle method works and how it can benefit your business, click the link down below in the description of this video to download your free copy of my guide, The Evergreen Lead Machine. So for my marketing funnel so far, we've built out the cold campaign funnel, a small funnel designed to generate leads from the cold and also the largest segment of our audience by basically delivering value to them and solving a pain that they're having. Next, we built out our warm campaign funnel. In this case, we used a 5-day lead generation and marketing funnel challenge that's designed to take our new leads deeper into my solution for lead generation to make them more aware of me, more aware of their own situation, and more aware of how we can fix it, while also building that know, like, and trust factor by simply proving to them that we can help them by actually helping them. Nothing goes further for goodwill than getting them some results in advance, right? And now, finally, we're on to the final stage of my funnel, the hot campaign funnel, for which, in my business here, this is going to be a webinar. The idea here being that we've already generated these leads, we've built a relationship with them, built some goodwill, and maybe we've even gotten them some results along the way, which would be awesome. And now, inside of my webinar, I'll explain more about what I do and how I can help them on a deeper level, and then make them an offer to work with me directly. So, with all that being said, here's our speed build of a webinar funnel in GrooveFunnels. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's speed build and that you can see how cool these pages can turn out with just a little bit of work. We're getting ready to finally open the doors for our 5-day marketing funnel challenge. So if you need more of the right leads coming into your business every day like clockwork, go ahead and click that link down below in the description of this video so you can learn more about the cycle method and get your free copy of the Evergreen Lead Machine. So the feedback from our last challenge was incredible. Everyone loved it, everyone got some results from it, so I can't wait to share it with you. The folks who grabbed that guide will be getting an advanced access to the 5-day challenge, so you won't want to miss it. You're going to want to sign up and get that guide right away. And as always, if you have any questions, I'd love to hear them down in the comments. So hit that like button and subscribe if you're interested in learning more about generating leads online. Thanks for watching. See you soon.